Wait, a tariff rebate check? That's right, there's buzz going around about a possible tariff rebate check being discussed at the federal level. According to US Treasury data, the government has collected over $100 billion from tariffs on imported goods just in the first half of 2025. And now, there are talks about potentially sending a portion of that money back to working-class Americans through rebate checks. Yacht. Let's be clear, nothing is officially confirmed yet. But if it does happen, early reports suggest some Americans might receive an estimated $2,000 rebate based on income eligibility. Now here at For the Low, though, we're all about planning smart even before the money hits. So today I'm sharing how I would use a $2,000 tariff rebate check to build wealth, create passive income, and strengthen my financial foundation using Fundrise, Acorns, and Robinhood. Whether you're a home-based business embracing the digital nomad lifestyle or just looking to save money and make smarter financial choices, this is a perfect opportunity to get ahead. Let's be honest, inflation has made everyday living feel expensive. From groceries to gas, everything costs more. And with interest rates still high, saving and investing can feel out of reach for many people. But here's the truth. Smart money moves aren't about how much you have. It's about how you use what you have. So if we're gifted an extra $2,000 from this potential rebate, I'm not spending it, I'm multiplying it. Let me show you how I'd break it down. First up, Fundrise. Fundrise is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows you to invest in high-quality commercial and residential properties without buying an entire building or dealing with tenants. Why real estate? Because in an inflationary economy, real assets like real estate tend to hold or increase their value. They offer stability and passive income, two things we all need more of right now. I'd allocate $1,000 of my rebate here, half the total check. Why that much? Because real estate is long-term, and I want a solid foundation in my wealth-building plan. Plus, Fundrise offers options that auto-reinvest earnings and diversify your holdings. That's key for those of us focused on building a business lifestyle with true financial security. Next up, Acorns. Acorns is all about making saving automatic. It rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change. But I'm not waiting on spare change. I'd invest $500 up front from the check. Why $500? Because it's enough to jumpstart growth, but still leaves room for flexibility. Acorns lets me build long-term wealth in the background while I stay focused on work, life, and balance. And with features like retirement and custodial accounts, Acorns fits perfectly into a smart shopping, save money, set it and forget it, approach all things we love here at For the Low. Last stop, Robinhood. Robinhood gives me the freedom to be a bit more hands-on. With $500, I'd start building a portfolio of high-performing ETFs and dividend-paying stocks. Why $500? Because it gives me room to learn, test, and grow without putting my full check at risk. This is where I take control and develop my skills, learning how markets move, how companies perform, and how to build a portfolio aligned with my long-term vision. For anyone looking to add a little more intentional risk to their financial journey, this is the move. Look, we don't know for sure if this tariff rebate check is coming, but here at For the Low, we're all about preparation. If the check comes, we'll be ready. If it doesn't, we'll keep building anyway. Real estate with Fundrise, automated saving and investing with Acorns. Strategic stock market plays with Robinhood. This isn't just about investing $2,000. It's about developing a financial mindset built on discipline, opportunity, and long-term freedom. This is what we do at For the Low. We help everyday people from remote workers to entrepreneurs find the best deals, smart money tips, and simple tools that help you thrive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to For the Low for more content on saving money, finding deals, and building a life of freedom and wealth. Let me know in the comments, what would you do with a $2,000 rebate check? And remember, no matter what the economy throws at us, smart planning and bold action keep us moving forward.